How to combine first, middle, and last name in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the cell where you want to add full name. Then write is equals to and then type in as shown on screen CONCATENATE, then bracket A2, which is the first name, comma, and then quotation again to start second, quotation, B2, quotation, comma, quotation, and C2, which is the last name. Click on enter and first, middle, and last name will be together like this. And this is how to combine first, middle, and last name in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.